I actually built this n8n automation system to actually rank the receiving vulnerability alerts from the third-party security vulnerability provider. So there is no need for our team to be, giving the same priority or same level of priority for each and every vulnerability that we are actually receiving. Because in most of the cases, the, intent and the risk ratio of this particular vulnerability is too low for our own instances, right? So, this particular workflow will actually rank the vulnerability and the risk ratio to the platform or the server that we actually have. So, we will give the all the server information and the platform information from the Supabase table right here to the LLM and the vulnerability description too, so that it can actually rank the live risk ratio for it. So based on the risk, based on the level of risk, we can actually create two different types of tickets that we are actually having. Okay, so what we can actually do is we can actually test the workflow. Okay, so we can use this particular curl request to actually send a sample alert. Oh, okay, just have a look. The workflow was actually executed right now, and we can actually see in the Jira board. Just have a look. Yeah, we can actually see this particular you know, non-serious alert that we actually had. And even we are just notifying it as review needed. That's it. So no urgency. But just in case if the risk ratio was more, then we will use this particular node to actually create a serious emergency bug in the system so that it will automatically gets escalated by your system. So that's where you can actually save your team's time and efficiency. So